Hi, it's David Jennings-Smith again. In our last segment, we talked about the audition process and how to audition. In this segment, we'll discuss warming up prior to an audition and being in a situation where you maybe don't have the kind of space or an area where you can warm up. I'm here with my student Amelia, and she and I will show you how to vocalize using some of our regular vocalises that we use in our voice lessons, how to do it full voice if you have a space where you can vocalize, or how to do it half voice in the event that you don't have the space. Now there are a couple of places where, if you're able to find them in the place where you're auditioning, that you can utilize to warm up. Stairwells, outside if you're there in enough time prior to your name being called for the audition, in a bathroom, which actually gives you more acoustic sound than you possibly need, and any space that's away from where the audition is being held. We're going to now go to our Vocalises. Here we go. This is a 5-tone descending scale done full voice. Please sit up straight now. On all. Full voice, please. Keep it all. All right, now we're going to do that same vocalise, half voice or hummed. Keep your 3rd and 4th pitch high. Keep it forward. Another warm-up that might be helpful is a triad warm-up. This is using the 1st, 3rd, and 5th pitches of a scale. I'll demonstrate. Amelia and I are going to do this on the ah vowel, ascending and descending. Ready? On ah. And now we'll do it half voice. Thank you, Amelia. We have one more warm-up to show you. This is an inverted triad warm-up. It will start on the third pitch of a scale, up to the fifth, back to the third, and then back to the first note of that scale. I'll demonstrate. Now you notice that I held the upper note, the fifth pitch of the scale, a little longer. All right? This is to make sure that the tone catches up with the voice. Millie will demonstrate. On ah. Now descending. Ready, and. Now, use whatever vowel you want to do these warm-ups, just so you feel comfortable about what you have done. In the audition situation, you may not have an instrument with which to use. So, if your phone has an app for you to be able to utilize a piano, use that. I'll take a pitch pipe with you, that's an option. The other option is use this video. The last thing I'd like to tell you is what to eat, what not to eat prior to an audition. It's always good to have protein in your system before an audition because it gives you great energy. One thing to stay away from, or a few things to stay away from: dairy, chocolate, anything that is going to put a coating on your cords. All right, keep that in mind. It will help your singing to be much better. All right, I'm wrapping up this segment now. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.